Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 6 because I want to cancel about the square root and the cube root in here. So we need to use about u to the power of 6. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 6u to the power of 5 du. So I will put this one going here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have u to the power of 2. This one we have u to the power of 3. Next, we simplify u to the power of 5 and u to the power of 3. Next, I will put number 6 in here, u square in here. Next, I will put negative number 1. Later that, we need to add back positive number 1. So u square minus 1 divided by u square minus 1, we have number 1. Next, we need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, 1 square in here, and we see that this is about identity, so we put into u minus 1, u plus 1. Next, number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. Next, we need to add u in here. Later that, we need to minus about u. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. Next, u plus 1 divided by u plus 1 and u minus 1 divided by u minus 1. So we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And the next one. Later that, I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put about 6 root for the both sides. And now we need to change u by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.